Today we're going to show you how to do what we call the crisscross waterfall twists. We absolutely love this hairstyle and we hope you will as well. So let's begin. We like to spray the hair with some water to avoid flyaways, but you don't have to. Brush the hair carefully so you don't have any tangles or knots. Now pick up a big section on one side of the head. Divide the section in two and begin a normal waterfall twist. So cross the bottom section over the top, pick up a new little piece of hair from the head and let it fall through those two. Ask your model to hold the little piece of hair. So again, cross the bottom piece over the top, pick up a new piece and let it fall through. Repeat these steps all the way around the head. When you're at the end, just secure the braid to the head with some bobby pins. Now pick up a new section right above the ear on the other side of the head where you did the waterfall twist before. Again, divide it in two and cross the bottom section over the top. Now this is a little different because you're not gonna add in this section but the one next to it. So pick up that section and let it fall through just like you did before. Now go back and pick up the first little section and do the exact same thing. So now you've made your first little cross. Here I'm just doing the same thing as before. Repeat those steps all the way around the head. Once again, when you've reached the other side of the head, just secure the braid in place with some bobby pins. Here is the finished style. We really hope you liked this tutorial, and if you give the hairstyle a try, please share it with us on Instagram by using the hashtag